The wrong type of cam follower or roller can lead to contamination issues, frequent maintenance, and reduced service life, especially in washdown applications. Fortunately, you have another option in the form of a hybrid design. Our maintenance-free cam follower combines a polymer load-bearing surface with stainless steel, ceramic, or hybrid ceramic ball bearings, enabling the cam follower to withstand even the harshest conditions. Stay tuned to learn more. PowerCore iCams. With over 39 years of design experience, our engineers have selected polymers for washdown applications that can be precision machined, are dimensionally stable, and don't swell in moisture. These polymers are also highly resistant to chemicals and temperature fluctuations and exhibit excellent wear properties. Whereas traditional cam followers are subject to corrosion and wear, our PowerCore iCams don't corrode at all, making them a good fit for washdown applications, outdoor exposure, and other harsh environments. Eliminate contamination. Fitted with seated bearings, iCam's self-lubricating, highly wear-resistant bearing surface eliminates two potential sources of contamination: stray lubricant and particulates from metal-on-metal wear, both of which could contaminate your product. To eliminate the need for lubrication, Intech polymer cam followers feature sealed ball bearings, which are pre-lubricated for life. In addition, the wear-resistant polymer outer racer of our iCams doesn't wear the metal surface it's running on. This prevents the generation of metal particulates. This makes them an excellent upgrade in filling, packaging, or processing machines used in food, beverage, or pharmaceutical applications, electronics assembly, and other hygienic environments. Save on maintenance and downtime. Intech iCams offer additional savings by eliminating the need to replace worn metal components in contact with metal cam followers due to metal-to-metal wear. iCams don't wear out the metal surfaces on the machine components they're running on, saving all the costs associated with replacing them and extending maintenance intervals. Your choice of bearings. iCams with sealed stainless steel bearings and shafts are the traditional go-to choice whenever corrosion is likely. You also have ceramic options. Ceramic bearings reduce friction, feature a high static load capacity, and don't rust, which is especially appealing for hygienic environments. Two types are available: all ceramic or hybrid ceramic bearings, the latter of which combines ceramic ball bearings with a steel race. The hybrid type can also withstand some shock load. Higher ROI. Overgreasing leads to more rolling resistance and often to skidding, another cause of wear. In machines with several dozens of cam followers, low rolling resistance will result in lower drive power requirements and energy savings. iCams also weigh about 40% less than traditional cam followers. The lower weight and rolling resistance enable our customers to increase their line speeds and line output. Higher line speeds, combined with all the other savings iCams offer, deliver higher ROI to our customers. At Intech, whether we work with design engineers on new equipment or maintenance engineers on existing production machines, we've found that we can design our way around the problems associated with washdown, moisture, and other environmental factors by picking the right type of polymer and bearing combination. If our standard cam followers aren't a good fit for your application, we can design one that is. For example, we designed a capped iCam that can handle high-pressure washdown. To learn more about your cam follower options, please contact our engineering team. We're also happy to verify the iCam's load capacity and estimated lifespan in your application free of charge. Ask us about samples for testing. Our off-the-shelf iCam followers come in most common sizes and serve as drop-in replacements for metal cam followers, including stainless steel. Contact us today.